Who told Lord Rama about Sita's abduction? The options are A. Jamvant, B. Nal, C. Neel, or D. Jatayu. The correct answer is D. Jatayu. Who advised Lord Rama to go to Monkey King Sugriv to get help in regaining Sita? The options are A. Jatayu, B. Demon Vradha, C. Demon Khabanda, or D. Demon Khara. The correct answer is C. Demon Kabandha. Where did Lord Rama and Lakshman meet Hanuman? The options are A. At Kiskindha, B. At Rishimukh mountain, C. At Dankarnya forest, or D. At Panchvati. The correct answer is B. At Rishimukh mountain. What Sugriv did when he met Lord Rama? The options are A. He formed an army to kill Ravan, B. He went in search of Sita, C. He told Angad to go in search of Ravan, D. Sugriv asked for help from Lord Rama to kill Bali. The correct answer is D. Sugriv asked for help from Lord Rama to kill Bali. Who confirmed that Ravan took Sita to Lanka? The options are A. Sugriv, B. Sampati, the brother of Jatayu, C. Angad, or D. Neel. The correct answer is B. Sampati, the brother of Jatayu. Where did Hanuman found Sita in Lanka? The options are A. Ashok Vatika, B. Kaliniya temple, C. Muniswaram temple, and D. Sigiriya. The correct answer is A. Ashok Vatika. What did Lord Hanuman do after finding Sita? The options are A. He brought Sita back to Lord Rama, B. He gave Rama's bracelet to Sita, C. He gave Rama's ring to Sita, or D. He gave fruits to Sita. The correct answer is C. He gave Rama's ring to Sita. Did Sita agree to go with Hanuman? The options are A. Yes, Sita agreed to go with Hanuman to Lord Rama. B. No, Sita gave her necklace to Hanuman as evidence confirming their meeting. C. No, Sita gave her ring as evidence. Or D. No, Sita gave fruits as evidence to Hanuman. The correct answer is B. No, Sita gave her necklace to Hanuman as evidence confirming their meeting. What did Hanuman do before leaving the Ashok Vatika? The options are A. Hanuman took Sita from there. B. He killed Meghnath before leaving. C. He began to destroy Ashok Vatika by uprooting the trees. And D. He took Pushpak Viman before leaving. The correct answer is C. He began to destroy the Ashok Vatika by uprooting the trees. What did Ravan do on hearing from Rakshasa about the monkey destroying Asoka Grove? The options are A. He went himself to capture Hanuman. B. He asked Indrajit to capture Hanuman. C. He did nothing. And D. He asked Kumkaran to capture Hanuman. The correct answer is B. He asked Indrajit to capture Hanuman. Who killed Kumkaran? The options are A. Lakshman, B. Lord Rama, C. Hanuman, or D. Sugriv. The correct answer is B. Lord Rama. Who killed Meghnad? The options are A. Lord Rama, B. Hanuman, C. Bharat, or D. Lakshman. The correct answer is D. Lakshman. Who killed Ravan? The options are A. Lord Rama, B. Lakshman, C. Hanuman, or D. Shiva. The correct answer is A. Lord Rama. Who did not sleep for 14 years in Ramayana? The options are A. Lord Rama, B. Lakshmana, C. Bharat, or D. Raman. The correct answer is B. Lakshmana. Why Dasara is celebrated? The options are A. Rama won the Swayamvar on this day. B. Lord Rama killed Ravan on this day. C. Rama killed Bali on this day. Or D. Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya on this day. The correct answer is B. Lord Rama killed Ravan on this day. How did Lord Rama return to Ayodhya from Lanka after killing Ravan? The options are A. Using the Pushpak Viman, B. Lord Hanuman bring them back from Lanka with his powers, C. They came back to Ayodhya by chariots, or D. They all came back on foot. The correct answer is A. Using the Pushpak Viman. Diwali is celebrated for. The options are A. Return of Lord Rama, B. Ravan was killed on this day, C. Marriage of Lord Rama with Sita, or D. Beginning of winter season. The correct answer is A. Return of Lord Rama.